Today, on this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, with all the reverence and devotion to Lord Sri Datta, I had the great pleasure and honor of hosting the Guru Purnima Mahotsav as well as a Mahaprasad in my factory area, in my industry area. Today the mandir was looking very divine, very beautiful, and we had illuminated it very beautifully and aesthetically. This is how the Lord Datta Mandir in my industry premises looks now. The Lord Gurudev Datta idol in all its resplendent glory was looking just supreme, making a normal human being realize that we are all mortal living beings. This is the elevation once again in a closer view. And this is yours truly, Jai Shri Gurudev Datta.